Pwede kaya sa ulan ang Honda Electric Zoomer? Let's find out. Since malakas ang ulan ngayon sa store, we decided to put the Honda Zoomer to a rain test. Tara, ilabas na natin ang unit para mapaulanan. As you can see, the front headlights are lit. The signal light is also blinking. Sobrang lakas pa rin ng ulan but the Honda Zoomer is still working perfectly. Wait, dagdagan pa natin yung challenge. Buhusan din natin ang bucket of water. Gagana pa kaya? Let's do it again for round 2. Ibuhos natin mismo sa screen and throttle. And look, it's still in good condition. The lights are still working well and even the zoomer screen is also lit and working correctly. And to answer your question guys, yes, you can definitely ride your e-bike in the rain.